Oh, here we go. The OfficeWorks lift. Brisbane City is modded. The Dragonfly found out this modded last weekend, and now it's my turn to see it. Last time I was here this lift was still here. The old lift was still here, but it was switched off and broken. I thought it was just closed off because of COVID, but obviously it was getting modded. Yeah, the doors are still original, obviously. Even the door closed button beeps. And door open. Door's opening. The door motor sounds different on this one. This could be a 5000, Schindler 5000, because it's a bit different. The door motor sounds different, the motor sounds different, kind of. Yeah, the motor like goes bang before it starts. It sounds different when it runs as well. Who knows? Cab view. Cab's obviously new as well. New cab and everything. It's weird they kept the doors. They just put a new coat of paint on it. Let's have a look down here. Yeah, they've actually kept the old panel on this one. They haven't put a new button on it. Elevator going up. What if there's a service lift down there? I'm not going to try. Let's have a look on the floor map. Where does it say I am?
Elevator going up.
Elevator going up. 2,500 kilograms, 33 persons.
Doors closing.
The inside track's been replaced, but the outside track's original. It looks like. Hear that bang. And the running sounds different.
Basement 1.
Doors open.
Doors opening.
So send it down, happens into the motor.
Elevator going down.
Here's a cabinet. Normal Schindler cabinet. So you can hear the motor from here. That's where the old buttons used to be. The motor sounds normal from out here. Okay, there you go.